Today I will be making chocolate cake. No oil, no ghee, no butter, no egg chocolate cake. It will be super moist and super tasty. So do try the recipe. Welcome to my channel Less Oil Zyka. For making the chocolate cake, we need 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, half cup sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half tablespoon baking soda, half cup cocoa powder. I prefer using unsweetened cocoa powder. If you prefer to use sweetened one, please lower the amount of sugar. 2 tablespoon instant coffee powder, mix all the dry ingredients. After mixing all the dry ingredients properly, we will now add 2/3 cup of curd, mix curd properly with the dry ingredients. Take 1 cup room temperature milk and add to the mixture little by little. We will use the cut fold method to make the cake batter. We will slowly and gradually add the milk to the batter to form the batter into a semi-thick consistency. Leave the batter for at least 15 minutes so that sugar melts down. Now we will grease the baking pan. I am using a normal utensil from my house to bake the cake. You may use the baking pan. Now we will grease the baking pan. First we will put half teaspoon refined oil to the pan and spread it evenly. Then put 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour to the pan and spread it evenly as shown in the video. After spreading evenly, remove the excess all-purpose flour. Pour the cake batter to the pan evenly. After pouring the batter evenly, tap the baking pan to remove the bubbles. For baking, preheat the kadhai for 10 minutes on medium flame. You don't need to put any salt or sand to the kadhai for baking. Put a small stand or a small bowl so that heat is evenly distributed and the cake is baked evenly. and cover and cook for 3 minutes on high flame and 50 minutes on low flame. After baking, please check the cake by inserting a skewer or a knife. If it comes clean, then the cake has been baked, and if it doesn't, then bake for another 10 minutes on low flame. Chocolate cake is ready. Enjoy! You can see that how soft the cake is. Please try no oil, no egg chocolate cake. If you like the recipe, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share my videos.